Hey guys, it's Sarah and welcome back to a new video. So today I just wanted to do a quick unboxing for you guys because I received a package that I was lucky enough to get chosen to review for free. So this is from stylekorean.com, and in the box we have two main products that we will be reviewing. Well, I'll be testing out and reviewing later this week, and it's from Innisfree. It's a True Care collection line, and there's two full-size products. And the first main product is the True Care Panthenol 10 Moisture Skin, and then the second product is the True Care Non-Nano Sunscreen. And then we have a little True Care mini travel size kit, which includes, well, there's actually quite a lot of products in here. It actually includes pretty much the entire collection. So we have the True Care PHA toner pads. There's two. There's also a True Care AC Soothing Ampoule, which also has two sample size. Here we have 3 little tube samples. This is the, it's so hard filming at home. Okay, we have the Calamine 6.5 cleanser, the Moist Recovery Cream, the Non-Nano Sunscreen. Oh, we have a little sample size of that as well. We also have the Cica Intensive Balm and the Panthenol 10 Moisture Skin. So these are the two sample sizes of these two full products, and I think everything here is from the sample kit, or the travel kit is the entire collection. I'm gonna quickly check on the website. But if this is everything in the actual collection and True Care series from Innisfree, then I can do a whole first impression review on the entire collection. So let's just quickly check. True Care. There seems to be a lot of products from this collection. So do we have that? We don't have that, do we? We don't exactly have everything from the collection or the line itself, but other than the vitamin C ampoule or the waterproof essence, Cica treatment. Actually, that's still pretty good. I think I do have majority of it, other than the ampoule and the essence, which is perfectly fine. This is more enough of the products from the entire True Care collection line, so I can, that was the box, so I can pretty much do a one skincare line brand review. I won't test it out right now. I just wanted to quickly do an unboxing because I got excited receiving the package. But yeah, pretty much I will do a whole video, and since the travel kit, there's only pretty much 2 attempts to test out and review it. I will try my best, but the main focus will of course be these two products, which is the Panthenol 10 Moisture Skin and the Non-Nano Sunscreen. So very excited because I've been using the same skincare products for this entire year. I haven't really purchased anything new. I just wanted to keep using what I have right now, but at the same time, lately I have been wanting to try a few different products, or I've been looking for other skincare products to try out. So yeah, this opportunity just came luckily, and thank you so much StyleKorean.com for selecting me just to try and review these products for free. So if this doesn't get included in the actual review video itself, then hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Stay safe, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bell for immediate notifications on my updates, and I guess that's it. Stay safe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.